Holy moly macaroni, I'm here in the homelands of West Bromwich and I've got an absolutely bossed out 3-bed semi, off-road parking, good sized garden in a great location of Stonecross, Walsall, Wednesbury and West Bromwich. You know I'm going to say, didn't you? Come on, let's go and have a look. So Hall Green Road is not just in a great location, but these properties were built to a high standard. This 3-bed semi not only just comes with off-road parking, good sized garden, you've got 2 reception rooms, and this property flows beautifully out onto the garden through the French doors. I hope you've enjoyed today's video here on Hall Green Road in West Bromwich, and if you'd like to know any more about this 3-bed semi, then you can call me on the number below 24/7. I'm Jason Kelly, I'm here in the beautiful Black Country. Have yourself an absolutely busting day.